The government backtracked on its controversial mortuary charges at public hospitals, extending the storage fee waiver from the proposed 3 days to 28 days, while emphasizing that the original move was not intended to increase government revenue, but to alleviate mortuary pressure. Evelyn Bai reports.
The hospital authority had originally intended to implement daily charges for storing a body starting January 1st next year, which will have allowed for 3 days of free storage before climbing to a maximum of $550 per day after day 34. However, considering public views and stakeholder feedback, the government made a U-turn on the plan on Saturday, extending the 3-day exemption to 4 weeks. Charges will be $200 per day in week 5 and $550 per day in the 6th week.
95% 呢，其遺體其實醫生呢都係3日之內可以出到呢個死亡證。
DHA's chief executive explained that in 95% of death cases, doctors can issue death certificates within 3 days, allowing families to make burial arrangements. However, due to the recent public concern, authorities decided to adjust the plan.
喺呢度呢，我就再強調啦，我哋嗰個引入收費呢。
Secretary for Health Lo Chong-mao emphasized that introducing the charges is not intended to raise revenue, but to encourage the public and bereaved families to arrange funeral services sooner. In the face of the city's aging population, deaths in public hospitals has increased 28% over the last decade or so, and even doubling mortuary capacity would not be sufficient. So a fee reform is necessary, Lo added. The authority reiterated that they have been listening to the public.
We noticed that the funeral sectors had a lot of comments the last few days, and in response to their comments, we make the appropriate changes, and hopefully these changes could help the public and the funeral sector happy with our new plan.
The HA said the new plan maintains full waivers for eligible applicants. Families facing financial difficulties can seek assistance from the hospital. Evelyn Bai, Cable News.